barbecue.
Alright fam, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to NewbieQ Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. I'm your host Jazz, and today we're making a casserole. And I have no idea how to make this. I've never made it personally. My wife has made it several times. It's amazing. It's one of my favorite dishes. It is tater tot casserole. So anyway, we're gonna go ahead. We gotta get the grill fired up. We're gonna cook the sucker on the Oklahoma Joe pellet grill. We're gonna fry up some meat on the Blackstone, and then mix all the stuff together in a bowl. We're gonna put it all together at the end. Hope you like it. It's like I said, this is one of my favorite dishes to make, and or well, my wife makes, I guess technically. But anyway, it's one of my favorite dishes to eat. So anyway, let's get started. Let's go get the grill fired up. Let's get all this stuff mixed up. Let's make it happen. All right, guys. Threw them tater tots on there. Gonna get them suckers cooked up real nice and crispy. Now, let's get the hamburger meat and some bacon fried up on the Blackstone. Alright, we got the bacon cooked, we got the meat cooked. We're going to get it over here. We're going to chop it up. So let's go ahead and get them on here. One for me, one for the casserole, one for me, one for the casserole, one for me, one for the casserole. Alright, alright, alright. We'll put them all in there. Alright, here we go. Ooh, that's not hard to cut. I was planning on it. Y'all didn't think I was just gonna like not eat one of those pieces of bacon, right? You know me well. Alright, time to make my sauce. Ready? Cream of mushroom, 1 can. Sour cream and onion, 16 ounces. 2 cups of cheese. It says 1 cup in the recipe, but why not? I like cheese. Now start. Mix it up well. Alright, time to grease the pan. Extra greasy. Let's check the taters. Woo, nice. Oh yeah, nice and crispy. Some of them are getting kind of dark. Alright. Let's take them off. Oh no, that one got broke. Okay. Let's take them over here. Alright, we're going to take the meat, put it on here, and then we'll go get the sauce. Saucy. Okay, gonna throw us back on about 300. You can do 300 for what, like 45 minutes to an hour, or you can do 350 for 30 minutes. But we're just gonna keep an eye on it. I'm gonna set it down here for just a second. Get this open. We're gonna throw this bad boy on there. Let her bake. Alright, so this has been on for about 30 minutes. Ooh, look at that. That's looking nice. But we gotta add some of these. Ready? All bunched up there. it cook. Gonna cook a little longer when we get them brown up. All right, been about 45 minutes. We're gonna pull it off. I'm pretty sure it's done. Let's look at it. Look at that. Look how gorgeous that looks. Look at that. Get some bacon down in here. That's nice. Look at that. All right, we're gonna pull it off. Snap a few photos of it. We're gonna take a taste. All right, guys, gonna do a quick taste for you guys there at home. I know it just came out of the oven. My wife would probably yell at me right now. Get a little bit of sauce here, but I do wanna take a bite. Just to let you know that I do eat the food that I cook. So anyway, here we go. Mmm. 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 That's perfect. That is so good. Okay. I'm gonna put the recipe for this down in the description. That way you guys can make this at home if you want. You can put it in the grill, you can put it in the oven, you can do whatever you want. But man, you can taste a little bit of smoky flavor to it. That's pretty good. I'm gonna get another piece. That's so good. Alright guys, that is it for me this week. Thank you for watching. I'm going to go inside and get myself something to eat. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook, NewbieQ2020. We also have a Facebook group. If you want to join that, you can post pictures of the food you're cooking. Other than that, guys, we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Peace out.